Hello, this is Miss Hanson, and this week we are learning about zoo animals. So basically what that means is throughout the week we are going to be discussing different kinds of zoo animals that live in zoos and also that are wild animals outside of the zoo. And so what I want everybody to do while you are not in my class, I want you to look at this slideshow and go over it with your family. Just kind of get used to every animal that we're going to discuss throughout the week and get familiar with what they look like and maybe what they sound like, what they eat, those kind of things that is what I want my students to learn about. So throughout this slide, I'm going to be discussing some facts about the animals, and then there's going to be an activity and a few other little bits and details about zoo animals. So let's get started on that. On this slide, I just basically have the types of zoo animals that we are going to be learning about. And so the animals we're going to be learning about is a bear, an elephant, a monkey, a lion, and a tiger. Now, these are just 5 of many types of zoo animals, but these are the ones that we are going to be learning about this week. And these are pretty easy to say and learn about. And so what I want you guys to do first is to pick your favorite one. So if you like monkey, or if you like a lion, or maybe you like a bear, I want you to pick which one you like the best. And then I want you to find a picture on the internet of it and print it off. Because that's going to be the animal that you are going to be learning about mainly. Now we will all be learning about all the animals, but as a class, I want each member of the class to pick one animal that they like and do a little research on it. So that way at the end of the week we can all show off our favorite animal and discuss things about it, okay? So let's go on to the next slide. Now this is an activity that we are going to be doing in the classroom itself, and I also want you to do it with your family because I want everybody to get familiar with the animals that we're learning about and what they look like. So here we're going to try to be kind of talking about the monkey, or the lion. And what I want you to do is I want you to match up the picture here with the word. Now, some of us may have a little more trouble with that just because, we don't understand how to say the word yet, or we may not even know what the animal looks like in the picture. But that's where, this whole week is going to come in, and we're going to be able to discuss and get used to each animal and learn about them. So let's say you chose the lion. Now, just because you chose the picture of the lion does not mean that you have to, you can't do this part. What I need you to do is match the lion picture with the word. Now they're all scrambled and mix and match, so you kind of have to think about it for a little while. So, wonder which picture goes with what word. And at the end, we'll kind of just, go over it with a class and see, how we did. So next we're going to do is learn some facts on each animal that we're discussing. And then, like I said, at the end of the week, we will review and see where we're all at. So this slide here has the bear, and I put 3 facts on each about the animals. This one is a bear, and they are mammals. They sleep all through the winter, which is also called hibernating. And there's tons of different species of bears. There's like the grizzly bear, the black bear, the brown bear, the polar bear. So there's a lot of different kinds of bears. And I chose a picture of a black bear. Next slide. Here is the picture of an elephant and its little baby. And I also chose 3 different facts about the elephant as well. There is only 2 types of elephants, and that's African and Asian. They are the largest land-living mammal in the world, and they are herbivores, which means they eat leaves, twigs, bamboo, and roots. And they have a very long trunk, which we will learn about too. We'll learn about the facial features of elephant, considering it's a little different than most animals. Onto the monkey. Like I said, this is the monkey, and they are also mammals. So a lot of these are mammals. They are also herbivores, and they live to be between 15 and 20 years. Now that's depending on if they're living in a zoo or if they're wild animals, but in a zoo that's about the time they live, is 15 to 20 years, and I believe that's a pretty long time for an animal. But yeah, so that's another thing we'll be learning about, is how long that they live and a few other things like what they eat. Here's the lion and their cub, which is what a baby lion is called as a cub. They are the 2nd largest big cat species in the world. They live to be about 12 years in the wild, and I read to be about maybe 10 to 11 years in the zoo. And they can rest to be up to 20 hours a day, which is a long time to sleep, I think. So that's a little bit about the lion. The tiger is the largest cat in the world, right above the lion. And they always hunt alone at night, which I thought was very interesting. So you may want to look into that a little bit more and to see why they hunt alone at night. You would think that they'd want to hunt together in a pack. There are also many types of species of tigers. So what these facts are going to do is to walk you kind of through more of how to do more research on it. Now, what I mean by that is I want you and your family to go home at night and do a little more research on your favorite animal, or all the animals, it's up to you, but mostly on your favorite animal. And then on Friday when you come in, we will discuss more about how these animals live in the wild and how they live in the zoo and what's the difference, and also, what they eat, what they do, how they live, all that kind of stuff. So those are the basics on what I want you to do with your family, and come to it, we will, we'll know a lot more about our zoo animals. So when you go to the zoo, you'll know a lot more. Thank you.